We're going to look at experiment 6-1 today, and the idea of this circuit is proving Ohm's law. The first thing it wants us to do is it wants us to go and find an electrical schematic for a cigarette lighter. What we did ahead of time is we went to Pro Demand and we looked up a 2003 Pontiac Grand Am. That's one of the ones we have here in our fleet here at the school. And you can see the circuit here. We have our power coming in, got our cigarette lighter here, and then we're moving to ground. So we previously set this circuit up for you guys so you can see it. This is our circuit. We have power coming in, we have our fuse, our switch, our cigarette lighter, and then we'll go back to ground here. So the first thing we're going to look at is it wants us to check the current flow in the cigar lighter circuit with the circuit popped out, and then it also wants us to look at the current flow with it pressed in. So we're going to hook up our circuit. Remember, when we're looking at our meter, we're going to be measuring current flow, so we're going to switch it over to amps. We have to move our lead over to the amp port. We break open our circuit, put our meter leads in series, and we'll turn it on with our circuit out. And you can see we don't have any amperage flowing through this circuit. I know it's toggling a little bit, you can see, but we don't have any current flowing through this circuit at this time. Like if I pulled this out, you can see there's no current going through it. Now we'll take and so we're just gonna put 0 milliamps here. We're gonna push down our cigarette lighter. And we have about 5.2 amps in this circuit. Now what it wants us to do is it wants us to use Ohm's law to determine the appropriate resistance of this cigar lighter. So what we'll do here, keep in mind Ohm's law, E over I R. So E is voltage, I is amps or current, and R is your resistance. So what we're going to do is we have 12 volts. So 12 over our amperage was 5.2. So we'll get the calculator out, do a quick little calculation.